3.
We're tired.
I'm exhausted. Alrighty.
Legs are shot.
What? Yo, my knee is shot. Alright. Woo! Jaje! Wait, not. How do you go? Horrible job, Jaje. Close it! Nah. So this is day 3 being in Vienna, but day 2 of the tournament, which is doubles, and just woke up and found out I got bronze. I got 3rd place. Italy got 2nd, and then Josh and
which is actually good on Italy.
Why?
They were trashed the last night. Like, hella dry.
And I think that they got like that because they didn't do so well in the singles.
Do you think it's a tactic? Like, let's just get really drunk and have everyone take care of us. And
Maybe.
then we'll just out-bowl us.
It actually tastes like a good guy. Wow. Austrian Bank. Oh, the Burger King.
How many is this?
A lot.
Is it free? Yeah. Oh. Alright. Wayne Rooney. Frank Lampard. Oh, good.
Because we have to. Coupons here. We don't have coupons. All right. You can get it in English. Yes. Takeaway, eat here. Takeaway. Takeaway? Are we eating here? Yeah. Okay. Oh. Can you pronounce that?
What?
Can you say that for me?
Auch als glutenfrei, which means also in gluten-free.
Oh.
German. Auch als glutenfrei?
Auch als glutenfrei.
Auch Eis.
Auch Eis. Oh, that's an I. That's I?
No, it's an L.
Oh, auch Eis.
Glutenfrei.
Gluten-frei. Well, there you go.
But
The more you
good
know.
for you, so you know you should take that.
Oh.
Can we do a graphic?
Where are you going?
Flurry Oreo, man.
Oh, go. Just get a McFlurry. Go ahead. Go. Order right now. Go.
He knew exactly where it was. That's
I know.
crazy.
This excited ass motherfucker.
You guys not getting it?
No, just order it now so you can get it yourself. No, like so you can get it faster.
Yeah. I'll tell you how I get it even faster, man.
See that? Look at that. Look at how long this receipt is.
What?
That's
You
what she
pulled
said.
that?
That's what she said.
One thing we live for. This baby right here. The only reason why I'm gonna go to McDonald's ever. This much in a week maybe is because of this damn curry sauce. It's delicious.